All right. So how do we put our intro into the song? We've got a little rock beat that we're using for this Sweet Home Chicago. Let me show you what I've come up with. We've decided that we're going to do a 4 measure intro to this song, 4 bars. So watch this. A 1, 2, 3, 4 strum. Whoop, get my drum going. 1, 2, 3, 4 strum. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Come on. There's one option. Here's another option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Now, option number 2 was more difficult because I needed to sing while I'm doing this lick, this riff. That's just about just drained me of my bandwidth. Let me show you. So I was doing come on, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Now it's really something to start working towards that, so that there will be little overlaps while you're still singing and you're doing little licks. So why not get in the habit of trying to pull that off now?
And I think that it's interesting that